Hey everyone, so a friend of mine bought a used Tesla and I helped him put in a number of things. Power frunk, yoke, some footwell lights, and this pretty cool USB expansion dock from Tesstudio. I decided to make a last minute video on this, so please don't judge the quality, the dirt, all right, just don't judge. I really like these USB docks, especially for passengers. They're just super convenient. What makes this one really cool are these shortcut buttons here. You push a button once to do one thing, you double click it, it does something else. My favorite is opening the passenger doors, all right? Both passenger doors can open just by clicking one of these buttons. Unfortunately, there's an issue with it opening the frunk. It didn't open the frunk, okay? I don't know what's going on with this button. I did send a note to Tesstudio and they're looking into it, but nothing back yet. So after we show what the buttons do, we'll see it in action. I'll show you the install. Super simple, especially for what you get out of it. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Thanks. And also, this is coming up, okay? Electric sunshade, all right? Putting that in my Model 3, so stay tuned for that.
So you could open the trunk.
Sweet.
Mirrors.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, that's
Glove
supposed to be the
box.
frunk. For some reason that frunk isn't working.
This one is open right rear door.
Oh, there it
There
goes.
you go. It's opened.
Cool.
Double click, open rear door.
Cool.
And then I can turn on the lights in here.
Nice.
Oh, it closes.
Yeah. Sweet. Just, yeah, I wonder what is up with that frunk, because frunk works, all super power mode now. Yeah. Check that video out. But yeah, otherwise, this is pretty cool. You got USB-A, USB-C, and is this supposed to be like a supercharging?
Yes, this is 27 watts, so it's fast charging.
Nice. And then, yeah, you've got an opening here for any other USB cables you may have underneath here that can be routed. So yeah, this just has to plug in there, and then it's got these cool lights down here too. These do turn off. Cool. Now we can see in there. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
These are all the buttons it has.
Matches up really nice too, actually. All right, install on this was pretty stinking easy. All it required was tapping into the CAN bus here with this, so you know, power down the car via the screen safety menu. Unplug this, plug this in. This taps off to this little Bluetooth control box, which is connected to the unit up there, that USB expansion, and really that's it. So I've just got to put this panel back on here and we're good to go. Yeah, we could just tuck this in here.